Are you concerned about your hip dips? Are you not able to wear the clothes of your choice because you feel that your hips are too narrow? Hi friends, I'm Dr. Kanksha from Divine Aesthetic Surgery. So hip dips are natural concavities that occur on the side of your hips. So suppose your hips are going like this, instead of this, they're going on straight or even inside. It makes your waist look narrow, but your hips do not look broad. So you give a very straight and masculine look, and most women are very embarrassed to have hip dips. So how can we treat them? The hip dips can be treated by a very simple procedure called fat transfer. So we can take fat from some other part of your body, for example, your thighs or your lower abdomen, and we can inject this fat into your hip dips. So it is barely a maybe half an hour or 45-minute procedure done under general anesthesia, and you can go home the same day and get very nice correction of hip dips. A lot of women also say that along with the hip dips, their curvature of the butt is not adequate. So wearing jeans or any kind of tight leggings feels very embarrassing to them. For these women, we can do BBL, which is Brazilian butt lift, along with a hip dip correction, both in the same sitting. So we can take a larger amount of fat, inject a larger amount of fat into the butts as well as into the hip dip areas. While we are doing the hip dip and the BBL surgeries, we are taking fat from the lower part of the abdomen or the thighs. But if you want, or you're looking for a high definition body or a bikini figure, or a very well contoured figure, in that case you can opt for a 360-degree abdominal liposuction, which takes care of your upper back, middle back, as well as lower back, as well as your tummy completely, and all the fat from these areas can be collected and injected into your BBL as well as hip dip. So the waist also becomes narrow, and the butt also increases in size, and the hip dip is also corrected. So you get a very nice hourglass figure in the end. If you're doing a BBL and a hip dip alone, you can probably go home the same day. But if you're adding on a 360-degree abdominal liposuction, we would like you to stay at least one night with us so that we can take care of you better. Of course, there's a lot of swelling once we do any of these surgeries, and as the weeks go by, maybe in 2-3 weeks, the swelling starts to decrease. But the final shape is expected to come around 3 months once all the swelling is gone and the butt and the hip dip takes a wonderful shape. If your hip dip or small butts or the shape of your body is bothering you a lot, you can always contact our team and get yourself assessed in a consult so that we can guide you more.